Alright, let's get straight into it, because nothing hurts more than doing the work and not getting paid. Yes, Bob, this one's for you. So here's the situation. Adam, a sole trader electrician, fixes Bob's electrics. Lights are on, kettle's working, everything's sorted. Except Bob doesn't pay. Classic. Now Adam is thinking about making a claim, but before anything else, there's one key thing to sort out. How much is actually being claimed? This needs to be done properly because the court expects the figures to be clear and accurate from the start. First, start with the main amount owed. That's just the unpaid invoice. If Adam charged £500, then £500 is the starting point. Simple. No adding extras, no rounding up, just the exact amount that's due. Next, interest. If Adam's agreement with Bob included a term allowing interest on late payments, that can be added in line with that agreement. If there was no such term, interest may still be claimed under the law at a standard rate. This is usually calculated from the date the payment became overdue up to the date the claim is issued, and it can continue to run until judgment. When making a claim, the details of the interest, like the rate, the dates, and the daily amount, are usually set out clearly as part of the claim. Now, a practical point. If the interest is straightforward, meaning one rate and one clear start date, it can usually be included in an online claim. If it's more complicated, like different rates or multiple periods, it may need to be set out in more detail using a physical claim form, meaning an offline claim instead of an online one. That process will be covered in a future video. Then, court fees. Issuing a claim involves a court fee, which depends on the total value of the claim being made. That fee is added on top of the amount being claimed and is usually recoverable if the claim is successful. Now here's an important point. This type of claim is about unpaid work. It's not a personal injury case. There's no compensation for stress, inconvenience, or how frustrating the situation has been. So adding random amounts without proper basis or evidence isn't appropriate. If it can't be supported, it shouldn't be included. So in simple terms, Adam's total claim is the unpaid invoice plus any properly calculated interest plus the court fee. That's it. Clear, structured, and in line with how claims are expected to be set out.